Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Descript's video export options? Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know to seamlessly export your videos from Descript so you can take your content to the next level. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial of Descript. Descript is a powerful tool for video and audio editing, and one of its standout features is the ease with which you can export your projects. First, let's dive into how you can start the export process. When you're ready to export, simply click on the Export button at the top right of your project screen. You'll be greeted with a few different options, so let's break them down. The first option you'll see is the Video Export, which is what you'll likely use most often. It allows you to export your project as a video file, typically in MP4 format. This is perfect for uploading to platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or social media. But here's a pro tip. You can adjust the quality settings for your video export, which is especially useful if you want to keep your file size manageable without sacrificing too much quality. You'll see settings for things like resolution, whether 720p, 1080p, or higher, and frame rate, which should be set to 30 FPS by default for most projects. If you're looking to adjust specific sections of the video, Descript allows you to trim the beginning or end of the export file. This is especially useful if you've made edits directly within the software and want your final product to reflect that. But be aware, once you export, you can't edit it further in Descript unless you go back and tweak the project file. Next up, if you need a separate audio export, Descript also lets you export just the audio from your video. This is perfect for podcasts or audio-based projects. You can select whether you want it in MP3, WAV, or other common formats. Just click on Audio in the export options and choose your preferred format. A quick note here, exporting just the audio means no video will be included, so make sure this is what you need before proceeding. One of the coolest features of Descript's export options is the ability to export subtitles or captions along with your video. You can download your captions as a .srt or .vtt file, which is really useful for adding accessibility features, or simply helping your viewers follow along. Subtitles are an excellent way to boost engagement and make your content more accessible to a global audience. This feature is particularly helpful for creators who post on platforms like YouTube, where captions can greatly improve your video's SEO. For those working on more advanced projects, Descript offers the ability to export multi-track audio. If you've been working with multiple speakers or separate audio tracks, this can be extremely useful. By exporting individual tracks, you get a lot more control over the final mix, which is essential if you're working on podcasts or any multi-person audio recording. Now, let's talk about something that could save you a ton of time: batch exporting. If you're dealing with multiple videos in a project, Descript makes it easy to export several at once. You can select the clips you want to export, and Descript will handle them all simultaneously, freeing up your time for other tasks. This can be a major time saver when dealing with large projects or series. Finally, let's touch on the settings for video export quality. Descript allows you to tweak the quality of your video for a more polished final product. Whether you're exporting in HD or want to keep file sizes low for easier uploading, adjusting the bitrate and resolution can help you find the perfect balance between quality and file size. Now that you've seen how easy it is to use Descript's video export options, here's something you don't want to miss. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive extended free trial of Descript without any commitments or hidden fees. With this free trial, you can dive deeper into all of Descript's powerful features and see how it can streamline your workflow. So now you know how to use Descript's video export options. With just a few clicks, you can easily export your videos, audio, and captions, and even adjust quality settings to fit your needs. Descript is truly one of the best tools out there for content creators, and if you haven't tried it yet, now's the time. Don't forget to grab that extended free trial using the link below. Happy editing!